Wagwan people, welcome back to Keegan Lifestyle TV. As you can see in the title, today we are going to deal with some brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. Alright, so here I have some leg quarters, so it's like leg and thigh. We're going to clean it up real quick, wash it off, add with seasoning, and then we'll start the cooking process. You understand? So, just going to go ahead and remove the skin, just like that. You see that? Yeah, remove the skin. And we just go and repeat the same step for the other two pieces them. This is not a big pot of brown stew chicken or anything like that. I just do a quick and easy recipe, All right, so after you take off the skin, guys, they all should look like this. All right, so we'll go set the skin aside. Cut off the leg. Once we cut off the legs, the drumsticks, we're just gonna clean out the inside of the thighs, remove these extra fat, and then wash it off.
Keegan step out, clean like breeze. Money talk loud, member, me no beg please.
Add some vinegar. And give it a nice little wash, Remove some of the rawness, and then, we'll clean it up nice and proper, guys. And I will season it, make it marinate for about 30 minutes, and then we'll start cooking. Yeah, man, so guys, we have some tomato, we have some carrot, bell pepper, potato. This is gonna be added to the brown stew chicken, like closer to the ending part of the video, because guess what? We don't want to add it too early because then it go kind of overcook and too soft, But just keep watching the video, guys. Don't go nowhere. Just keep watching the video. Everything's already washed. We have some scallion, some thyme, some fresh garlic, ginger, and some habanero pepper. I couldn't find any Scotch bonnet pepper at the market today, so we had to get something else, a replacement, And some pimento berries. You see it, or pimento seed, whatever you call them, but that we are deal with today. All right, so we'll deal with it proper, nice and proper, guys. Just go and watch the thing. All right, so now we're gonna crush the pimento. We'll just go add it into the mortar. Grind it up. Once we finish grinding up the pimento berries, guys, it's gonna become like powdery, a nice powder seasoning. See that? Just like that. Yeah, man. After that, we have some all-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. We're gonna add in a little bit, not too much. Just a little bit. We're not gonna over-season it because remember, like I said, guys, it's not a lot of chicken, that I'm cooking right now. I'm just keeping it on a small portion, so we're not add too much seasoning. This right here is some cock seasoning blend, all right? Why for that? Yeah, but seasoning, we have some chicken seasoning, all right? So we're adding the chicken seasoning right now. Adding the chicken seasoning, just a little bit, not too much. Set that aside. And then we're gonna add some browning to give it a nice little dark complexion, a nice dark color. You understand? Let me see if we can find some browning right now in the pantry. See what we are work with. I find pepper. I find hot sauce. All right, so we find browning, people. We have the browning right here. All right? Can't go wrong with the good old Grace browning, Not too much, because we now make black chicken. We are make brown stew chicken right now. You understand? Give it a nice little mix. Mix it up nice and proper, man. And like I said, guys, we're gonna let this marinate for about 30 minutes, But before we do that, we're gonna add in The fresh herbs them, fresh ingredients. You understand? So go chop that up real quick.
Success for me name like a movie scene. Yeah. Yes. A Keegan lifestyle, money stacking a pile. Cook food, make moves, yeah, me born freestyle. Girl, I pop a fi bikini them.
All right, so now we chop up all of them fresh ingredients there. We'll just go drop them inside the mixing bowl. See it there? Everything. Drop them in just like that. Just like that, baby. Nothing going to waste. Mix it up. Now we're gonna let it sit, 30 minutes, guys. All right, so while the chicken, I'll go and marinate. We're gonna cut up with tomato. And like I said, everything is already clean and washed. Yeah, so let's go get a nice rough chop. Knife, you're kind of dull, They probably will say, hey, chef. Oh yeah, chef, I don't have no sharp knife in the kitchen. What else I do with thing, man? Yeah, so we have the tomato. That's gonna add a nice flavor. We have a carrot. You see me? And the reason why I'm separating this from the actual marinade chicken, this gonna, like I said, I'm gonna add it last, like in the last 10 minutes or so, because I don't want it to be too soft. I still want to keep that crunch, on the potato and everything else, and it's gonna add a nice flavor. You have the bell peppers them. Well, one bell pepper, one sweet pepper. Cut it up same way. All right, so we're gonna clean up and then we're gonna start the cooking process. Keep watching. All right, guys, so right now, we're just gonna get the pan nice and hot, Add in some cooking oil. The brown sugar, guys, is gonna add a little bit of sweetness to the brown stew chicken. And also it's gonna caramelize it up a little bit as well. I'm pretty sure, you can see now the pot right now, guys. So once the brown sugar start to melt and become a little bit dark or black, then we'll go add in the chicken, piece by piece, and make it get a nice little color to it, Yes, people, so like I stated earlier, the brown sugar is gonna start to caramelize. It's gonna get a little bit dark, and that's where we're gonna add in the chicken, all right? And it's gonna get a nice piece of color to it. So we're gonna add in the chicken right now, guys. Listen for that sear, that sizzle. Yeah, man. It's gonna get a little bit smoky, guys, but that's part of the cooking process, Yeah, man. So you can't take the heat, Come out of the kitchen. You understand? All right, so right here, guys, we still have like a whole bunch of mixed seasoning, that we use to marinate the chicken and season it up. Fresh green seasoning, right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to add some water to this. We're going to add the potato, and we're also going to add all of the other ingredients that we chopped up earlier. And then we're going to add it to the pot after we get a nice sear. Yeah, man, so the chicken looking good already, guys, and it's not even cooked. Yeah, man, so we just sear it, nice sear. All right, so we're just gonna close on the pot a little bit for a few minutes. Yeah, man, make this build up some steam and everything there. Add in the potato, the carrot, bell pepper, all of them lovely ingredients there. Yeah, man, so we're gonna add some water to it, guys. Not too much water. Yes, people, so the chicken have a nice brown color to it right now, so we're just gonna add in the liquid mixture with the leftover seasoning. So we're just gonna mix in the seasoning, guys. Mix it up, stir it up. Yeah. We're gonna let this cook for about 20 more minutes, guys. Yes, guys, so in about 15 minutes, the chicken should be fully cooked, nice and soft. Yeah, man, brown stew chicken, Jamaican style. That we are dealing with today, Yeah, man. So we have some butter beans right there, so people go add it right in the pot right now. Me know I never see that one before, but hey, you have to change it up every once in a while in the kitchen, you know. Yeah, man. So butter beans, we'll drain off the water and then add it to the pot. Forward. All right, drop in the butter beans here now. Yes, guys. So like I was saying, sometimes you have to change it up, you know. You don't want your cooking to get boring, so try new things in the kitchen and see how it turn out. If it don't turn out good, you don't have to try it again, you know. Yeah, but that we are deal with today. Brown stew chicken with some butter beans. Yeah, man. So we'll cook it a few more minutes, guys, and then that butter beans is gonna get nice and soft. Thicken up the gravy a little bit. You understand? Oh yes, 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 guys. The brown stew chicken is looking amazing, looking good. Yes, nice and soft, gravy thick. What's it? Nice and thick, man. Falling off the bone, you know? Just like that. Yes, guys, so this is my big pot of brown stew chicken Jamaican style. Hope you enjoyed watching this video with me today, guys. If you enjoyed watching the video, give us a like, leave a comment, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Yes, me I say, for more amazing recipes, more vlogs, more lifestyle, everything. Yeah, man, big up on yourself. Happy Sunday. Peace.